Lightning. Sometimes when pilots fly through clouds, static electricity will build up and appear on the plane window. These guys thought a house was on fire, so they drove over to investigate.
A real... What the are they making in there? Oh, bro, look what it is. Are you kidding me? Let's get the hell out of here.
What is it?
It's a cremation society.
No! That's people! Oh my...
This poor live streamer realized that people would rather watch a plank of wood than her.
Oh, wow, some excitement for Planky. When I go to the bathroom and I come back, the viewership goes up 30 to 50 viewers when there is a plank of wood here. And then the second that I unmute the mic and I sit back down in the chair, it drops like 70.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Holy
There's this trend where parents tell their kids to hold out a bag and wait for the machine to fill it up with ice.
Oh man, they're not gonna make it. Oh no. Oh no. They're like yelling to each other. No. Oh, duh.
I found an artist that can paint figurines in a way that makes them look two-dimensional.
Hey! Your keys are in your door!
What did you say there, bro?
He said thank you, bro.
So this is pretty cool. For the first time ever, a plane landed on a helicopter pad. If you think your neighbor is loud, just be happy it's not this guy. One of my subscribers told me that they bought a tornado siren on the internet and loves to show it off. This crab is making hundreds of little tiny sandballs. Some crabs will shove sand in their mouth, eat the micronutrients, and then spit out perfect little sandballs. One of my subscribers has a dog that gets super excited whenever they play an episode of Daily Dose.
Your daily dose of internet. Please stay in school and don't end up like this.
That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for 15 million subscribers. That's amazing. And I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.